Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. So in this video, I will be creating this look that you guys see here. It's a very simple go-to makeup look and it's going to be a chit chat. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows first. I take the most on my brows, so I'm just trying to get these out the way. And y'all, my eyebrows have been growing so much. I don't know if y'all remember one of my videos. I was saying like how I wanted to be much fuller. Like I haven't been plucking them as much. Like I did like a couple weeks ago, but I haven't been doing them that often, and they are like growing. Can y'all see that? They're growing so much like fuller. They're a little thicker. So loving that. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows using the Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit in number 4. Guys, so for eyeshadow, this is gonna be a super simple look. I'm not doing like a really glam look or anything, so I'm just gonna use my pressed powder that I apply all over my face. This is gonna be my eyeshadow, so it's kind of like a no eyeshadow look basically. So I'm just going to place this all over my lid. I really don't know if I want to do a liner or should I just, I think I'm gonna just pop on some lashes. Y'all know how I do. I barely even wear a wing liner anymore, so I'm gonna just go grab my lashes and I'll be back. I think these are the Slay by Elle lashes right here. So this is the glue that I use, y'all. It's the duo glue. It's the green one, the one that comes with the applicator. This is the best eyelash glue. Use eyelash glue, okay? And get this one. This one, you don't have to wait for it to dry. Like once you put it on, I mean, you want it to be tacky, so just wait, I don't know, like 5 seconds and then pop them on, and they do not come off. Like if you apply them right, they are not gonna come off. So I'm gonna use this. I'm trying to see which one I want to use because I love all of these. Alright, I'm just gonna use the Laura Mercier hydrating primer. I was thinking about using this one. It's the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Power Primer. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just use this one. Alright, you guys, so for foundation, okay, I haven't got no new makeup. Like, I'm going to use these two foundations right here. It's the Lancome foundation and the Maybelline foundation. I love mixing my foundations because it gives me a better outcome. It just looks more flawless because it just matches me perfectly. It just looks better. And it's just always so hard for me to find my perfect match in one bottle, so I always, well, most of the times I mix my foundation. Hopefully this isn't too light. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this all out with my Sonia Kashuk sponge. Okay, it looks very skin-like. So I'm going to use this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer in the shade 145 Warm Beige. This is what it looks like right here. I'm going to go ahead and apply this underneath my eyes. I don't know why I feel like this foundation is making me look really like I don't know, the foundation just looks kind of gray on camera. I don't know if it's just me. I'm thinking about doing like a little series on my channel explaining more on becoming a YouTuber. I got that idea from somebody comment that on my filming setup video, and I'm thinking about doing that and just like showing and explaining to y'all, like, you know, more things that you need, or just more things that you need to know when you become a YouTuber. I just need to like figure out a day like every week that I can post it on, like create me a little schedule like ASAP. For example, like every Sunday it's a new like series, like a tech talk series, you know. So something like that will be coming soon, because y'all showed me so much love. Like, I've gotten so much love on that video, that filming setup video, where I was just showing you guys and telling you guys about my camera and about my lighting and everything like that. And I got a lot of questions on some other stuff, which is why I'm like, let me just do like this little series. So that should be fun, especially if you're becoming a YouTuber. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but I got a new lens, and I'm gonna talk about that in one of the upcoming series. And I'm not gonna lie, some days I just don't feel like doing my makeup or filming a tutorial, you know. So this is a great way to just put some new content out. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna jump into my, ooh, this is so old, my NYX palette. I used to show this in every single video. My NYX highlight and contour palette. And I'm just gonna take, I always mix these two shades right here, the warm one and the cool one. I don't know why, I just like the way it looks. So because I don't like my contour like to be too gray, you know. I need a little warmth in it. I'm just gonna do a little bit, because sometimes I feel like I be putting too much and it don't look right. Start off with a little bit first. This looks good, because I be looking at my, like when I go back and edit my videos, my contour be looking so harsh, but in person, like, it don't look that bad. So when I contour my nose, y'all, I literally take the same brush with whatever's left on the brush, and I just like squeeze the brush. I'm not even gonna lie, I squeeze the brush like this and I just dab the side of my nose. Like, I don't like really contour. You know how you can really contour your nose to make it look super skinny? I just wanted everything to be balanced, you know. Like when you have contour on your cheeks and your forehead, it looks better when you add some of that on your nose too. After I contour my face, I always go ahead and set my makeup. I used to go crazy with the setting spray, but not anymore. A little bit goes a long way, and a little bit will do its job. I used to spray it so much where it'd be like dripping down my face, and then when it dried, you see streaks of makeup. What was I thinking? So I'm using the Covergirl Super Stunner highlighter in the shade Gilded Glory. I've been using this for a while. Just gonna add a little bit, not too much. A little bit, and then just blend it. This is honestly my favorite part in makeup, is highlighting, especially highlighting like my chin and my nose, like the center of my face, and concealer. It's my favorite part in doing my makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Wet n Wild High Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Sin Nudes. I've been using this forever. All these products that I applied today, I've been using forever. And I know I need some new makeup bad. But this gloss is like the perfect nude. Do you guys see? It's the perfect nude. Oh my gosh. It looks good. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna actually go and fix the top of my head because I need to flat iron the top again, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I just have so much in store. I cannot wait to start posting consistently again, and I'm so glad that y'all are still here riding with me. So that is all that I have to say in this video. I love y'all so much, y'all know this, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next video. Okay, bye.